What's going on? I hope everybody's day is going good. And if it's not, just know that you have the choice to turn it around and make it as good as you want it to be. Today, I want to talk about having back issues and how to relieve that pain and strengthen up that back. Recently, for me, I've been having lower back pains. I had these issues before, and I solved that problem by stretching and exercising that lower back area. And since I haven't been keeping up with my lower back area, some pain has returned, and now I need to relieve some of that tension and strengthen that area back up. I do a lot of movement throughout my day. I also play a lot of bowling. So if you guys have experienced any back pains and you want to loosen up that back area and strengthen that area up, I have a few stretches and some exercises that will relieve that pain. And if you continue the process, this will cure your back aches. So let's move on to the ground and get started. Okay, so for this part of the stretch, you're gonna wanna use a tennis ball. And what you wanna do is place the tennis ball right in the muscle area alongside the spine. You don't wanna put it directly on your spine. Put it right on the side of the spine where the muscles lie so you can loosen up that area. So wanna move to the side, place the tennis ball right there. And from your body weight, you should already be feeling a little relief in the muscles loosening up. So now to take a step further, you're gonna take your right leg, lift it up. Not to feel uncomfortable, only go as far as you can. So if you wanna bring it down closer to your chest as much as you can without straining yourself even more, or causing any more pain. We're just loosening up the muscles around the spine area, giving that relief on your back. Oh, I feel that relief already. So you want to repeat this process a couple of times. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. And we're not just doing one side, we're doing both sides. And hit that muscle area and do the same thing. Then to go further and loosen up that area even more, we're gonna slowly shift our right leg to the right side and give it more pressure on that area. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds and then release and repeat it a couple more times. Again, do it on both sides. Okay, so the next stretch you wanna do, take your left leg, fold it over your right leg, take your right arm, grab your left leg and bring it in towards you. Get that nice stretch in. Hold that area for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then to stretch even further, take your left hand up, turn your head and your left arm all the way to the side and stretch it out even more. You want to hold that area for about 10 to 15 seconds and repeat this process a couple of times. Not just doing one side, we're doing both sides. So take that right leg, fold it over your left leg, take your left arm, grab that right leg and turn it out. Get that nice stretch in your hip area. I just felt a crack right there. You're gonna feel some relief. It's gonna loosen up. A lot of air, a lot of gas is being released as you're twisting your body to the other side. To stretch it out even more, you're gonna take your left arm and turn your head all the way to the other side and stretch it out even more. Hold that for about 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat this process 2 more times. Now for the next stretch, you're gonna have your upper body set up like this. Take your right leg, fold it in, lift it up just a little bit, and turn to the side. That's gonna give it a nice stretch in that area. And you wanna turn your head to the other side. Hold this for about 10 to 15 seconds and you can repeat it for a couple more times. Come back. Let's go ahead and do the other side. We're gonna fold the left leg in, lift it up a little bit, and turn. Open up that hip. Have your face turning this way. Nice little stretch. I feel a big relief in my lower back area. I'm feeling less pain already. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Come back up. Relax. Now let's get into some exercises, strengthen up that lower back area. So for this exercise, to straighten up that lower back area, you want to lift up your right leg to right here. Hold that for about 15 seconds, or go as long as you can. If you can go up to about a minute, then hold it for that long. This is going to give you a lot of strength in that lower back area, holding it right here. The same thing for the other side. You can go for about 15 seconds or go to as long as you can and repeat this process a couple times. Now let's move on to the next and final exercise that will help that lower back area. For this final exercise, you're going to go ahead and lift your hip up. Have your body straight like this. And you're going to hold this position for about 10 to 15 seconds and repeat the process a couple times. Now for me, I like to incorporate a few reps while I'm doing this exercise. So I would just lift my body up, bring it down, up, and down. Now, if you feel that one of these exercises work better than the other, then just go with that one and do the one that works best for you. Well, I hope this was helpful for you guys. It really helped me out a lot. It stretched out my back. It loosened up my muscles, and I feel a lot of relief. I actually feel no pain at all at the moment. Do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for motivation on everything. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Stay motivated.